Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 9 of your textbooks. We will take a look at the converse of theorem 9.2, which is theorem 9.3. It states that if two triangles lie on the same base or equal bases and are equal in area, then they lie between the common parallels. So we will assume that, let us say these two triangles, they are equal in area. We will draw two triangles such that they are equal in area and they lie between the common base, on the common base. So I will say triangle ABC and triangle DBC, they are equal in area. So I will say given area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC, and triangle ABC and DBC lie on common base BC, right. I need to prove that triangle ABC and triangle DBC lie between common parallels. So these double lines and S means parallels. We have done this before. So I will say, let us assume that triangle ABC and DBC do not lie on the between the common parallels, and we will just keep deriving the areas of triangle ABC, DBC and see how the initial assumption will be contradicted. So I will say proof let triangle ABC and triangle DBC not lie between common parallels. So what are we doing here? We are trying to contradict what is something we have to prove towards the end. Now I will say, now area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, correct? So I will say let the height of triangle ABC be AD. I will draw AD perpendicular to BC, and height of your triangle DBC, I will say let this be DQ. I will call this M and I will call this N. So let us just write the perpendiculars. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to BC, right. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So B is for base and H is for height, which is half into, what is my base? BC, and my height is what? AM, right. I will mark this as 1. And also area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base into height, which is half. The base is the same, right, BC, because both the triangles lie on the common base BC, into your height DN. I will mark this as 2. But what do you have? But it's been given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. This is given. I'll mark this as 3. So what do you get from 1, 2 and 3? See, the left hand side over here are equal through equation 3, right? Therefore, the right hand sides are going to be equal. Therefore, what can I say? Therefore, half BC into AM is equal to half BC into DA. Now see, over here this is an equation with the left hand side and right hand side. There is an equal to sign over here. half is equal to half. BC is the common base. So obviously you will have AM is equal to DN because the other two terms are equal, right? So I will say, therefore, first of all here I will say from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore AM is equal to DN. Now if you notice, but M and N lie on the line BC, right? That means these 2 points M and N are collinear. Therefore obviously D and A have to be on the same line so that the lengths are equal. See, if I have M here and N here, and I will say that there is AM and DN, then obviously if these 2 lines AM and DN have to be equal, then the points A and D, they need to lie on the same line, right? Therefore points A and D lie on the same line. And these are what? These are the perpendicular heights, right? Therefore what can I say now? Since the altitudes are equal, what can I say? That now these triangles are going to be like this. So let's say A and D are lying on my line M. This is B and C, right? So A and D are lying on the same line and the altitudes are equal. So what does this mean? When the altitudes are equal, line M is parallel to line BC. This means altitudes of the 2 triangles are equal. Therefore you have AD is parallel to BC, which means my 2 triangles are lying between common parallels AD and BC. So our assumption is wrong. So where do I write this? I am going to erase this section and write the answer, final lines. Therefore triangle ABC and triangle DBC lie between common parallels which are AD and BC, right? Therefore our assumption that triangle ABC and triangle DBC do not lie between common parallels is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Hence proved. So this was about the converse of theorem 9.2, which is theorem 9.3. So in pre-C, if 2 triangles lie on the same base and they are equal in area, so same base or equal bases, and they have equal area, then they lie between common parallels. Now we will take a look at questions, solved examples in your textbooks based on theorems 9.2 and 9.3 in the next videos. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.